So today we're out here tossing the Megabass Sonic side. This is just in like a typical shad pattern. We're throwing that on the Daiwa Zillion SVTW. That's the one with the clicking drag, in case you're curious. We're gonna be throwing it on the Megabass Levante flat side special. Literally the rod this is made for, so. There we go. Oh man, he pounded it. That feels like a pretty good one. Man. Feels like a really good one, actually. Oh my gosh. That is a nice one. Oh no, please don't come off. Please don't come off. Oh, look at that baby. Look at that monster right there. Look at that. That's a good 3.5 pounder. Easy. Easy. Right at the bank. Wow. Right up at the bank. Right through the pliers. Look at that. Look at that though, dude. Wow. What a fish. I'm pretty happy with that one. Probably about, I'd say 18, 19 inches. I'd say that's close to 4 pounds. Easy. All right, well, nice winter bass. Crush the Sonic side. Get her back in. Ugh. Nice one. That was easily close to 4 pounds. He hit that one. Oh, this is just as big as the last one, dude. This might be bigger. This might be bigger. This might be bigger. Wow, I think we're on a heater here. Wow, this is a really nice one. Holy moly. Wow, that's a 5. Look at that, dude. Wow. First, like 3 or 4 casts over here. Oh man, look at that. Now that is a 4.5 pound easy. I am super happy, dude. I am super happy. All right, so we got out here. This is the second cast in a row. We got another one. This one is slightly bigger. This one is a little bit longer, not by much. You can see there, Megabass flat side special, Megabass Sonic side, cold water, front coming in. Nice one. Let's get her back in. Nice 4 pounder right there, full of shad. She's ready to spawn. That's what we're talking about, man. I am so pumped. Back-to-back casts on this in this spot. Now, you guys have seen me fish this spot a lot. I fish it because it's off a pretty sizable arm of a lake, and they push the shad back in here. Can we make it 3? They hit that as soon as I paused it. I'm just slowly cranking it, and as soon as I paused it, I'm curious if I could get one on the jerkbait now. Each one is headed on the pause. I cannot believe we caught 2 back to back like that. That's crazy. All right, guys, so we're back at the house. That was a pretty quick trip. We were only out there for maybe around an hour, give or take. But the weather was setting up nice for some winter fishing, especially with the crankbait, which this is what did most of our damage, which is the Mega Bass Sonic side, as you can see there. This did the majority of our damage. We did catch a couple small ones on the jerkbait prior to starting this particular video. But we went out there with the intention of knowing that there was going to be high winds because there was a front pushing in. We did a pretty good job of figuring out where they were going to be because I knew that they were going to be keying in on those bait fish because the water temps are on the rise. We've had really warm weather here. With that front pushing in, I knew some of those big ones would be back in that cove feeding on bait fish. And it paid off. We had a pretty good day. Caught 2 over 4, caught a couple more that were in the 2-pound range that weren't in this video. But nothing too exciting outside of that, but to catch 2 that size back to back, it really felt good, especially when the bite can be a little bit slower here in the winter, especially in the Midwest. We've been blessed with some pretty warm weather, but just to go over my cranking setup a little bit, again, to reemphasize, this is the Daiwa Zillion using the Mega Bass flat side, which is called the Sonic side, and then we're throwing that on Mega Bass's flat side special Levante rod. So pretty good day, great outing for winter. Couldn't have been more pumped to catch those 2. So hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I'll see you guys next time.